Hello, literature lovers. Today, as you can see, I'm discussing T.S. Eliot's work, the very famous work, which I personally adore and like. It's 1925 published poem. I think you guessed it, The Hollow Man. Don't get into that movie mode, The Hollow Man, although I like that one too. But here it's quite allegorical, has some more other meanings related to it. But not to forget T.S. Eliot, Nobel laureate, and very famous because of his peculiarities and complexity. When I started reading him, I really got confused whether, and I have to refer so many other books to get a glimpse of the work. Now focusing on The Hollow Man, it's T.S. Eliot work, 1925 published. I think you must be aware of his works and the complexity that he used. I'll try to explain each and everything. So huge, so much to check about it. And appearing in 1925, and different critics talk about it. And we have his other works, you all know complexity and different meaning, and that layers which can be extracted from it, especially the wasteland. Title is quite suggestive. You must be aware of the title, and it is quite clear how the title works. The hollowness, the shallow man, the emptiness. So it talks about it quite clearly, talking about the motives, damage, psyche of humanity, power of literary history, all coming of it. And you can juxtaposition with the wasteland and get the fragments of it from it, but it's a bit different. The changing nature of gender roles, and yeah, this is the time of the modernity, and all the things were quite blurry at that time. The roles were quite flexible. Fragmentation is used quite clearly, just like in the wasteland, he used it. Myths and religious rituals is quite part of his work, and the work which I personally adore is The Wasteland. Infidelity is also a point which is also in Wasteland, so you can refer it that too. Because I'm referring Wasteland and again, it's much more familiar, and it was in my course too. And when I first read it, I really got confused. And name what? I try to use some of the lines and pictures so that you can get the glimpse of it. The whole blurry and dark side is always there. The dead man's hand and name what is a very famous phrase. I hope you are aware of that story wherein a dead man's head, that card of play and spade number, and the man who was holding was a dead man. So that is called the dead man's hand. It's a idiom, a phrase commonly used. These are some of the references talking about the fairy and the dying stars. All the dark side is given. The explanatory portion is given here, and different rituals are being talked about. Cactus and pricky, all the eternity and eternal lines, all a part of it. This is line number 92, 94. From thine is, for thine is the, from the trails is the world ends, the way the world ends. It's quite repetitive, and these are some of the things. Not with a bag. All the references are given here. Talking about analysis, the epitaph is used quite clearly. Inverse and another device. Allusions, a part of his work, it's filled with it. It's like finding imagery, is so good at it. Name what, description is, and the voice use picturesque, and visuality is so lively. Name what may. Symbolism, water is also a symbol, life and death both, as well as in other works, music, tone, all expresses. Especially this one contains scarecrow, and you can think about it. In different, it is ragged and having eyes, and scarecrow is hollow. We are all aware of it. Shadow, made heaven, all are symbolical. Death and dream, eyes, heavenly souls, broken things, all contain such mysterious facts. setting is somewhat in the desert, so you can imagine the bone dry and then the dry river. Speaker is using the monologue to create the intensity. Festivity and language shift is also there. It's part of it. No doubt, tone would be pessimistic tone and try to confuse you as much as more possible with the fact of this. So no doubt it will make it. Style is obviously the modern poetry, and it was written in free verse. It gives you quite freedom to express your thoughts. That's all for today. I hope you will get the idea. Try to summarize in quite short time. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you.